This video is sponsored by Wix Filters, manufacturers of filters for automobiles, trucks, off-road equipment, and manufacturing applications. Go to wixfilters.com for more information.
You know, horror movies have this knack for teaching us one vital lesson. Be ready for anything. Those legendary jump scares, they hit you when you least expect them, sending your heart racing and nerves into overdrive. Yep, just like that. Caught you off guard, didn't it? Don't get me wrong, while I love sprinkling in the spirit of Halloween into fleet operations, there's a business lesson in there. Never assume everything will go according to plan. Now bring that same idea to the world of fleet maintenance. What fleet owner wakes up in the morning thinking, yep, today's the day my truck is gonna break down? It just doesn't happen like that. It's more of like a Murphy's Law situation. Anything that can go wrong might just decide to do so, and usually when it's least convenient. That's why fleet managers do everything in their power to avoid downtime in the first place. Unplanned maintenance is an unwelcome surprise, as the term itself suggests. When a vehicle is sidelined due to a breakdown, it's almost always pricier and more time-consuming than regular preventative maintenance. Furthermore, a vehicle off the road means it's not generating revenue for the company, so add that to the list of reasons why unscheduled maintenance poses a significant threat to a fleet's profit margin. Avoiding downtime, however, is easier said than done. It requires a vigilant team of technicians and drivers who can inspect and identify emerging issues before they impact performance. It also relies on gathering service data and recognizing patterns to catch problems before they escalate further. With the right data, tools, and knowledge, effectively managing your trucks can become a task that doesn't throw your operations off its intended trajectory. Your fleet can be ready for anything and everything coming down the road. Don't let your fleet be the next victim of the element of surprise. For even more trucking and equipment content, head over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. See you next week, and happy Halloween!